just be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Let's just be real.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Unfortunate Gamer here, and welcome to Far Cry 4. I'm going to be doing some... I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Map browsing. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Map browsing. No fall damage, invincible, no fire damage, infinite ammo, no explosive damage, unlimited underwater breathing. Holy shit, guys.
Oh, hi there.
Hi. Do you mind if I, like, just carry on C4? Alright, so... Oh my god. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Holy shit. Hasta la vista. Oh no, they're lining up. The front lines. Bad. Get out of the truck. Boom. Bitch. Holy shit, who's shooting at me? Bye-bye. Spin me right round, baby, right round. And bail. Here we go. Wingsuit. Where you going, buddy? Bam. Holy shit. You guys really make it rain, don't you? Hey guys. It'd be very unfortunate if you guys were all to mysteriously die. Do I not have any knives to throw? What the hell? Which one's the enemy? Oh, that guy's the enemy. Alright, well that was a pretty easy map. Next map. Alright guys, we're gonna kill them all. I don't have any weapons, but you guys do, so get to it. Alright, good.
Because he never felt he truly had a Mustang.
What the fuck are they talking about? And slide. Maybe I can slide. No.
No, I heard you.
Oh.
Oi! No mercy! Move faster!
Ah, shit.
Cover me! I'm headed up! Okay!
Kill every rebel you see!
Hold on!
Ah, shit. Oh, what? That's awesome. Now I'm dead, but it was awesome. No.
Moving! Move faster!
God, I've only killed 11 people. Holy shit.
Climbing up now! No! Copy that!
Oh, nope. Allahu Akbar!
Think of your family!
You fired in flight! Quickly!
Alright. So where the fuck is this?
Let's go, come on, let's go! Faster, faster!
Right.
I'm going to let
Here we go. Slide. Yes. Easy peasy. Don't worry about it. Like, play a random map. Alright, reckless driving, display all enemies, highlight enemies, hunter's instinct. Oh, hell. Why are you sitting down? What is this? Is he sleeping? Are you serious? Oh, you're fucking dead. Why are you... Alright, he stopped snoring finally. Oh my god! Holy... Oh my god. Alright, so... when in middle of pack of dogs, do not shoot at them. Just throw grenades and hope. Let's do this! Fucking fight me, dogs! Think you're good enough? Allah Akbar. Well, guys, that was a good map. Wow. What the fuck? What was that shit? That was literally like a 5-second map. I accidentally typed HRU to someone, but that makes sense. How are you? Nice. Accidental, but awesome. It's a fight you're gonna fucking get.
my God!
Yeah, my God is right. You better get your ass ready. I see you. Alright. Not my best idea. If I die by this fucking snap. Okay, well, shit map.
I killed him! I killed him!
Benson. Can't believe I'm alive.
I know. My hands won't stop shaking.
Fucking God. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.